YouTube. What is up? What is love? Baby, don't hurt me. Wow, bro. I've been gone from the streaming game for billions and billions of years. Feels good to be back. Feels good to be back in my natural habitat. Streaming to the universe. Streaming to the world. Hope you guys are doing good. Let me just bring up this drawing tool. My mic suppression sound is off. So hopefully the audio is better because I have a new computer that isn't extremely loud. So I don't have to have the noise suppressor on. But I'm just bringing up this drawing tool so we can do a bit of draw some pictures over here of what we're looking for. Baby, don't hurt me. No more. All right, fire. What is this? Oh. All right, cool as. Lock in, chat. Graph. Wow. Unbelievable. He's back. Rodriguez, what up? What up? Are you ready for Dubai? Bro, it's been so stressful, man. It's been so much I've had to do to fucking figure it all out. But yeah, it's happening very soon, man. I'm selling. Someone picked up my TV cabinet today, so now I have no TV cabinet. I'm just sell it all. A closing down sale. What's up, family? YouTube. Mentorship cats. We're back at it. So let's have a look over here on gold. I haven't even looked at NQ yet. Oh, NQ's moving up. We've got a big gap over here. So London Open just happened. Let's have a look. I mean, we've got this big wick over here. Big wick energy. Oh, this 1 hour over here looks like this. I mean, could we strap in for a potential type 2 on the 1 hour? That 4 hour closed green doji. Interesting. 30-minute closed above this kind of minor range here. 1 hour 15 has a little bit of resistance here, but I think we could punch through it. What's this level on the 15 at the break of the 1 hour? Ooh. Ah, what are we gonna do with our stop loss though? What are we gonna do with the fucking stop loss? If this 1 hour doesn't wick down any further, we could have a 50 pip stop loss. And ride it up to here. Keep in mind USD is dropping because of war, yeah. Yeah, graph, crazy, man. Not the TV cabinet. Got the money from the TV, time to go funded. Yes, sir. 100 bands. I got 100 bands for that. I'm selling all my shit dirt cheap. Dirt cheap just to get it going. Full tilt trading. Yes, sir. Yeah, I passed phase 1 of one of these. I used type 3 tilt strategy this morning on stream. And passed the first phase of this other 100K account. Type 3 tilt strategy. I saw you got your trading certificate. Wait, what do you mean? Yeah, look at this dashboard. Prop XP, you guys. Oh damn, I got to put my new the code. I got 50% off these guys. Oh look, there's a profit target. You can see it here. Look, went up. There we go, 10K on it. 10 bands. Ooh, this is looking bad. All right, I want to break below here. I want to sell gold. I don't want to buy gold. Do you think investing in oil could be worth it? I wouldn't. I couldn't tell you, bro, honestly. What up, Pez? Bro, got to 60 on my bullet. Oh, thanks to you. Nice. So you got past 100K over there. Beautiful. Joyal. Oh, yeah, you guys that are still waiting for those accounts, please bear with me, you guys. Please bear with me. I'll promise I'll get it done over the next couple of days. I've just been so fucking flat out. And the way in which I was planning to do it, I've had to change. So it's yeah, just bear with me. I promise you guys will get it over the next couple of days, though. Can you send me 2,000 AUD, bro? I really need help. Struggling bad. I mean, bro, like I can't, even if I do that, it's not going to do anything, right? You're just going to end up back in the same situation. It's a, you know, there's something flawed fundamentally that you need to change in life, because otherwise you're just going to go broke again. What up, OF? Do you have to pass a challenge account to get funded? Yes. So let's have a look over here. What is my... Yeah, that's right. Sorry. I'm just doing something here quickly. 50% off. XP. You guys on TikTok, you can see that. This is, if you want 50% off this prop firm, Forex prop firm over here, no trailing drawdown. Yeah. The platform is, it's a bit painful, but the fact they have no trailing drawdown is pretty sick. Fire. But yeah, let's lock in here. I want to sell gold. I really want to break this wick and take a sell and fill this wick over here. If somebody said, what do you want to do? That's exactly what I want to do. So, you know. Daniel, what's your opinion on the orb strategy? I think the orb strategy is really shit and it's for beginners. It's only for scam. All right, you know what? No, I'm going to say it. You'll never hear me talk shit about anything trading related. The orb strategy is just a scam made to sound good to beginner traders because it's really easy to understand. You just go, oh, I'll wait for the market open. And then when it breaks out, whatever side you take, you just take a buy or a sell. It's the most dumb strategy. It requires no actual understanding of market structure. And it's only made for gurus to make money off you because it's just like beginners start using it because it's just like, because I was that guy. I paid a course back in the day for an orb strategy guy. And now now in the position I am, I go, oh, that was literally a scam. Like you don't learn anything about market structure, nothing. It's just literally. So when the candle breaks out of a range, you just buy whatever direction it goes in first. It's like, it's so dumb. But as a new trader, you're like, oh, this is easy. Like, yes, I can fucking make money. Oh, this is literally doing my head in. Sorry guys, one last time. Look at the fib on the forum. Nah. Forex is so fun. I love reading comments because people think their strategy is the best than others. Yeah. Nah, there's no such thing as the best strategy or whatever. Like, it's just anything. Everything's everything. Can we work together? I'm struggling to support with loan me, bro. Yeah, missed you guys as well. It's been a minute, right? What strategy you use? Just price action. Just kind of wait for key areas and let price develop around key areas. Just really kind of start to read the market structure around key areas and either, you know, either anticipate a bounce off or a breakthrough. But yeah, a big component of this is really understanding market structure and candlestick analysis. We don't need to understand everything. We just need to understand like one thing really. Baby, don't hurt me. Can you guys believe that John Jones fucking retired, man? It's like, come on, bro. Wow. You can see I've set up a new computer. That's, sorry guys, worst stream of all time, but sometimes this kind of stuff happens. This looks dodgy. All right, so we're going to break below here. If this candle breaks below and doesn't leave too far, I'm interested in taking a sell. You got sucked into that strat as well. 5-minute opening orb. Yeah, it's so stupid. And people always say it on TikTok because it goes viral on TikTok because it's like, this is my 5 fucking breakout orb strategy that made me 4 million this morning. And it's like, it translates really well for a viral TikTok video. So that's why people always ask me on TikTok, what do you think about the orb strategy? Because it just goes viral. But nice, Benji. Billions. I just finished my 9 to 5, now stuck in traffic. Lock in on the charts, dude, and the only thing you'll be stuck in is consolidation sometimes. What do you think about Mambo FX? Bro. I don't know anything. I know he wears a lot of chains and does all the things like that. What time frame you on? Bro, it's literally on the screen. NQ's firing up, is it? Wow, look at gold over here pushing down. I wonder if we can hold this level here. I mean, it's going to be hard for me not to take a sell if this closes below. It's going to be hard for me not to want to sell gold at this stage. Did you watch the S&P change? Oh, you lost 2.5? We can't see that. Oh, I see. All right, I'll fix it in a second, you guys. I'm sitting on the 15-minute though. So basically the key is understand the market, price action, support and resistance. Well, that's how I trade. Like there's a million ways to trade. I'm only roasting the orb strategy because people on TikTok always ask about it and it's a kind of a viral TikTok strategy. Like I can't believe in 2025, you know, imagine telling market wizards in 2025, kids are going to be talking about a viral strategy that went viral on TikTok. Yeah, it's just like an easy kind of video for TikTok to go viral because the way you can make the video. This is the exact strategy that I used to make $5,000 this morning, and it only takes 2 minutes. I call it the ORB strategy, order breakout strategy. Like it translates really well to a punchy TikTok video. I mean, I'm going to put a stop here. I'm in an order here. I thought there's a war. Where you... Bro, what? I thought there was a war there. Where are you? Bro, where the fuck do you think I am? Where is this white dude that has an Australian accent? Where do you think I am that you're concerned about the war? Type shit. You trade most of 15? I mean, I use all the time frames in conjunction, and then I kind of sit on the 15 to get, you know, I sit on the 15 to just chill. Yeah, I've got to order at the break of this bottom wick here. We'll see what happens. What's this for a stop loss at the moment? Yeah, nice. I'm looking for some sort of wick fill here to the left. If this comes down and doesn't play out, like, this is literally the trade I'll take 1,000 times a day. I mean, I'll take this 1,000 times over. Papa Raja. Please, Raja, give us a cliche. No, I never use the 5. I don't look at the 5 at all, you guys. No, 5. We don't talk about Bruno. There you go. You guys on TikTok, I changed the thing. We don't talk about it. No. There. All right, dope. Do you look at the DAX? Nah, never. What up, quintessential Pamela? Love the honesty. Love you. It seems you've got a sell stop, my friend. I have a sell stop. Bro, can you help me? What do I do now that I pass the account? You just wait, brother. You wait 24 hours. Yeah, you just want to wait for 24 hours now. That's all. My camera's dropping slowly. Yay, first stream back. Everything's glitching me out. But I guess, yeah. Are you paying taxes? Hell no! No. You guys, you have no idea how fucking stressful it is trying to move to Dubai. God damn it. I'm vlogging it all as well. I've been vlogging. Video logging. Yeah, I've been video logging. We don't talk about... Name of the prop firm? It's called Prop XP. It says it there, brother. What's a favorite time to trade? London Open. So that's 5 p.m. Brisbane time. Yeah. Ordinary. You got me banging. What's your stop loss in this trade? It'll probably be above the current candle wick, I think. I think that's a good safe place to put it if it does push down. When are you moving? Bro, essentially, as soon as I sell everything. Dead set, I think I'm selling my car tomorrow. Hey, do you got... I'll save it for the vlog. I'll save it for the vlog. I'm going to be launching like a 3-part series. Do you know how many fake accounts there are using your name? Yeah. Yeah, that's right. Emperor Forex firm. They have, you know what? I'll tell you, I'll be brutally honest with you guys. Prop XP, yeah, I got a 50% off code there. You guys can see that. I'll tell you straight up the pros and the cons. The cons are the platform's a bit clunky to use. The pros are there's like fucking 0.05 point spread. For a Forex prop firm, having that little spread less than a pip is unheard of. Typically with prop firm Forex fund, it's like prop firms, it's like 4 pips. This is literally half of a pip, like less than 1 pip. And the other good thing is they have no trailing drawdown. So there's no trailing drawdown, which is cool. You're coming to the Middle East to stop the war? Yeah, something like that. Why don't you look at the DAX or the F Fibonacci retracement? Just because like you really have to pick a side, brother. You have to pick a side. In trading, you kind of come to a conclusion that more doesn't necessarily mean any more. Like you just kind of pick your thing that works and stick to that. Don't add more things in, because if you start adding things in, when do you stop? Oh, if I can add this in, I'll throw this in. Oh, someone talked about liquidity and Fibonacci's. It's just like pick a side, stick to it, and then that's it. Because what will actually happen is you'll probably start removing shit. I don't need this. This is like, you know what I mean? Like you'll actually start removing things, simplifying it. Cody, how many days for a payout? I don't know, bro. It's on their website. I only just passed the first funded phase with them today. I mean, how long we got in this candle? I'll give it a couple minutes, 2 minutes here. Yeah, peep this, you guys, at the after this stream ends, this pod's gonna automatically drop on my channel. This is me and Mitch. Mitch is going to tell you how he's freaking crushing it. He just got funded more today as well, 2 other accounts. He's really out here doing it. Yeah, I'll be streaming the same shit in Dubai. Yeah. So you don't do Sunday open sessions like when the New York time? I don't know what you're saying. I don't know, bro. I'm not doing the calculations for your time zones. I don't know. Yeah, I don't know. Sorry. Wow, look at this. Very respected, this level. This will be a 30-minute closure. I passed thanks to your lives and your strategy. You're the best. I'm here every day. I'm learning a lot from you, bro. Wow, amazing, David. Awesome, man. Good to hear that. Anyway, if I sign up to the mentorship, do you live stream Asia Sesh? Yeah, I live stream that Asia Sesh every day in the mentorship. Yep. Yeah, that's right. But the mentorship's closed. We're going to be launching this week. Like I'll start taking applications for new guys this week, but I've had the mentorship closed for like 2.5 weeks. Just focus on the guys that are in there right now. How much does it cost to move to Dubai? I mean, it cost me $6,000 to get my trade license, which means I can start a company over there and then hire myself, and that's how you qualify for the tax-free. And then Emirates ID, visa, some other bullshit, and then obviously flights, and then you got to sort out accommodation when you get there, and then you have to rent a place, then you need to get a car. I've got to pay for extra baggage. Man, see, shit like this, you need a girlfriend. Like, I'm just doing it all myself. It's a fucking mission. Oh, Richard, I see what you're saying. Nah, so Asia Open in Brisbane is 10 a.m. Yeah, we streamed Asia Open this morning. It's pretty risky. I didn't do it on my funded accounts. I actually got funded or passed the first phase of this one this morning on the Asia sesh. But yeah, you typically kind of want to stay away, to be honest. But yeah, I'm live streaming the whole Dubai shits, so you'll be able to see a lot of it. Habibi! Red bridge, red trade. Nah, red bridge statistically equates to green trade. We don't talk about, bro. My inbox is flooded with dozens of people pretending to be you asking for information. Yeah, give it to them. How much does it cost to move to Dubai, bro? I just kind of answered that. Connect, guys. Connect, bro. Doesn't matter. Let's have a look. Could I be interested in impulse sell if gold prints like this? This is gold, Brandon. What's prop XP? Ooh. Common mistakes as a beginner: over trading, revenge trading, over leveraging, impulse trading, emotional trading, expecting results quick, false expectations of what trading is, using their real money instead of funded accounts or paper trading. You know. Blue, what up? Big dog. I disagree with paper trading only because real trades move candles. I'm talking about like to learn on paper trading in the early stage. Learn the game, my dude. Oh, what's NQ doing? Pushed up. Wow, that's a pretty big fucking candle. Okay. What's more important, technicals or fundamentals? Two very different things. Like, fundamentals are important if, you know, if you're somebody that's, no, for retail traders, it's not something that you don't even worry about it, bro. Hey, bro, I lost $200. I'm relatively new to trading. What advice would you give me about losing? I would say don't use your real money. Use prop firms. I had some big losses recently, which made me devalue the smaller wins and struggle to get back. Yeah, like, man, anytime you lose, you got to get really good at... you got to become the best loser. Because once you start feeling really shit, when you... Like, if you emotionally feel like in a shit mood after you've taken an L, like, now you're allowing trading to dictate the way you feel. Which is a bad way to go. It's bad for, like, if you've got a girlfriend or a family, it's a real bad way to go about life, is like, you know, being in a shitty mood around people just because you lost your hard-earned money. You got to get really good at not caring. And the best way to get good at not caring is understanding that your statistics and your strategy and your win rate plays on your profit, like your equity curve would go up over the long run. So this individual trade doesn't matter. If I lose a trade, I go mental and throw my PC. Shit, man. I'd have no PCs left ever. Which YouTube I watch your podcast? This one that you're on right now, brother? Yeah, this one. So Daniel, what's the secret? What we have to do to be successful and make profit? You want to know the secret, bro? You really want to know it? Wait, I'll tell you the secret in a sec. Let me have a look at this trade. Fucking weird structure on the 15. If this can wick down and re-break its own 30 wick, top wick, I'll take a buy. I don't think it will though. I think this is just going to leave. You guys on TikTok, if you want to see the full chart, I'm live on YouTube right now. Daniel Holmes Trades. It's the same name as my TikTok name. If you want to see the full chart. Yeah, I want to see a decent wick here. Give me a decent wick, bloke. Yeah, very ugly on the 15. Nice view. You at the MMA apartments? Yeah. Yeah, I guess you could say that is correctly where I live. That's kind of scary, but yeah, that is where I live, yeah. Very bad advice. What's the best prop firm and why? None. They're all the same. Like it really doesn't matter. Like at the end of the day, a chart's a chart. You just click the button. Yeah, some have more annoying rules than others, but yeah, you just do the thing. Nah, Prop XP have their own platform. Yeah, Prop XP have their own platform. Bull market? I have no idea, bro. Do you have a daily bias? No, not today. Nothing really, just chilling. I mean, the setup's pretty fucking ugly. A lot of indecision right here. Yeah, I can't take this. I mean, yeah, like there's definitely a case for it to run, but it's so freaking ugly, man. It's so ugly on the 30 and the 15. Even the 1 hour, I guess the green's not that green. What's it look like on Forex? A lot of red. Nah, I'm not taking this. I'd love a break below. I want to sell gold. One thing I hate is how I get out of that mindset of I need to make it back and prevent revenge. Yeah. You got to really think about trading as just like the next best trade. Like if you can really just try and detach from the money component of it and just think, is this a good trade? Like treat it like a game. Like, is this a good decision to make in this game? And you get rewarded by that good decision. Not, oh, this decision I make can make me this much. If anything, you should only be thinking about how much you're going to lose. You shouldn't even be thinking about how much you're going to get. You should only be thinking about how much you're going to lose. Because you're probably going to lose. So get mentally prepared for it now. I literally go into every trade going, in my head, I'm like, this is going to be a loss. Am I okay with it being a loss? And if I am, then it's all good. Oh, I won. What a bonus. So there's no secret. Oh, the secret. The secret to success in trading. The secret to success in trading is the same secret to success in any endeavor. Yeah, it's the same secret to success in any endeavor. So all the generic bullshit that you hear, hard work, consistency, relentlessness, learning from mistakes, patience, all that shit that is required in all other businesses is the same as trading. That's all. Yeah, Jones is a dork. How do you control your emotions? Well, firstly, you have to have a proven strategy. You have to have a full system that's completely fleshed out. A lot of you guys have terrible psychology because you don't have a full fleshed out strategy and system. Like you'll never get, like, you know how you drive yourself insane? It's because you don't, what you're doing isn't proven. It's just like you know what I mean? Everything needs to be fleshed out so you get a peace of mind knowing that in the long run you win in this game, regardless of what happens on this particular trade. Oh, elite trader, that was you that was saying that. That's why I understand why you're saying that next sentence. You always say, this is gonna happen. The amount of times, anyway. What do you think about ICT? The dude or the strategy? The dude's questionable, but the strategy a lot of people use, so. We don't hear you well, bro. Can you guys not hear me very well, TikTok? Having a repeatable system should block out causal emotions. You're moving on. Yeah, you're fine. Yeah. All right, sick. Thanks. Hear perfectly. Yeah, I thought so. Yeah, that's right. Sounds okay. Okay, sweet. So yeah, well, now we just wait. And this is a big component of trading as well. You got to get really freaking good at waiting, man. You have to get really good at just waiting. So the reason we show up at this particular time is this is a London Open, right? High volume time. So if there's a potential play set up here, this is the time for it to play out. Like this is a time for volume to be in the market. So now you just chill and wait for that to happen. So you got to get really good at that. I still remember on stream one time, there was a guy saying like, all you do is like wait, or all you do is just look at the screen. I said, yeah, that's a big part of trading. I was like, if you can't deal with that, sitting there for potentially, a couple of hours a day, then this isn't for you. And he's like, yeah, F that. I was like, okay. Like, what am I up on 2 accounts? 450 on both these bangers. That's like 1,500 Australian dollars today. Oh, I had to look at a screen for a little bit. It's like, really, bro? Things that I've done in the past for that much money is astonishing. Yeah, it is Tango Race. Plus 10k win this morning, yeah. Type 3 tilt. Red boy days. Brony Sap NQ. When I looked at NQ before, I was like, nah, I'm not interested. I'm going to need to let price develop a little bit more. Testing how many orders could be opened. Nice type 2 on helium. Shit. What up, mate boy? I wanted to ask, how much did it cost you to relocate? Yeah, I answered it before, but, I don't know. It's a $6,000 to get all the licenses and shit. And then however much flights cost. And then extra baggage will be like $3,000. Renting a car, food. It's going to be over $10,000 just to get there, essentially. And then you got to find a place and... Man, I found out yesterday that, so when I got my car was when I had nothing, right? I'd come back from America. I literally had no job. I had no money. And I had a bad credit score. And then I managed to get a car on finance with an atrocious interest rate that I'm too embarrassed to even say. Anyway, I got the car for 24k, and then by the time they handed it over with all the fees and shit, it was 27k. I've paid $16,000 on it, and that 27k is only down to 22k. And I was like, you guys fucking kidding me, man? Like, how? And I paid the 22K today. I just got rid of it. I'm like, I can't. Like, it made me sick. I feel sick to the stomach even thinking about it. I'm like, just fuck you guys. Here, just get it away. And now I'm going to sell it. But I was desperate at the time. I just got back to Australia. I needed to get my life together and I needed a car. So I just took whatever I could. Yeah, legit pets. Oh, man. So it breaks a low bullish sweep. No, but if it pushes down, I want to go down with it. Is rent pricey in Dubai? It depends. Like, it's pricey here. This is a 1-bedroom unit in Brisbane and it's $590 a week. You know, if I go to Dubai, I'll probably be paying $800 a week just because I want a better place. But it'll be a good location, probably pretty fucking similar to this place. But yeah, Australia is pretty expensive, especially Brisbane. What up, Venus? Do you advise taking partials during? Yeah, take partials at some point. It's a good idea. 4 years, Hunter. Tonight will be the night that I will hurt you. Come bougie on us? No. The music's loud in your voice? Oh, I don't like that. I don't like that. Thank you for telling me. Fucking hell, that's crazy that it is, if it is. I mean, hopefully that's better now, I don't know. I pay $1,600 where I live for 2 better a month. Yeah, that's depends where you are. Depends where you are, man. What up, Thor? You need to pay the rent a whole year in the EAU? No, not always. Only in some cases. What's good? Still moving. What up, Tom? Good to see you, brother. Yeah, I'll still move even though the conflict. Yeah. Hopefully the flights and some other things get cheaper then because of that. But yeah, I'll still move. I'll punch the bombs away. Wow, worst joke of all time. Really, Kashi? Love your background, beautiful. Thank you. Don't make me change my mind. Wait, how do you know my real name? Wow. We're in the London session, Akil. Why Dubai is better to Australia? Australia have big tax man. You earn dollar, tax man says, give me that shit, son. In Dubai they say, you keep that, brother. Man, come on, Gold, you really gonna do this to us in London? Don't let this London curse continue. When do I enter a trade? When your profitable, proven system tells you to. But life's more expensive in Dubai? What do you mean? If a nuke drops, would you move back? Bro, I don't fucking know. Now you're stressing me out. Well, it's too late. I'm already committed. It's God's plan, I guess. What's the difference between taxes? I don't know, like 43% to 0? Yeah, I know, Kashi, legit. You know, I'd really want to push below here, so we'll see. We'll see if we got to push below here. Do you go live every day? Yeah. You know, I hadn't the last couple of days, but yeah, I'll be live every day again. My legs aren't used to it. I can't, Cody. I still haven't got access to the stage 2. Who did you learn from? I would say originally Raja Banks. And then I did every freaking course in the world. Wasted 2 years of my life and then came back to kind of price action trading. When you're uploading vlogs, bro, you know, I'll upload the first one hopefully in a couple of days. Yeah. But I'm dropping a podcast after this stream, so yeah. Gonna stream under a bunker. Bro. What's your average win rate on a weekly basis? I'm not sure, bro. Pretty decent. NJP, the first, as a beginner, the first timer, get the cheapest prop firm account there is. So like a 5K account or something like that. Have you heard of Time to Eat Trading? I think you trade similar. Yes, Nick Stewart. Yep. Yep, I really like Nick as a human being. Religious dude. And price action trader. He's a Raja Banks freaking prodigy as well. Raja. Oh no, no, no. When does the video come out online on YouTube? Which one, Joe? When do you head off? I head off when I sell all my shit. Yeah, me and Raja trade ICT. Check NQ. I think my fucking... Why is my thing not working? Where are you moving to? Dubai. Habibi. Raja Banks prodigy. Dude, we literally got nerfed at the door because our fits were too popping. No, I don't know. I guess my freaking... Well, I hope NQ's not playing the most beautiful textbook setup because I can't even look at it. How should we invest with a low income job? Great question. You go over to a funded account and you get the cheapest one possible. So you can get like a 10K funded account for, you know, 30 bucks or something. So look into prop firms. You sound so excited to move there. No, I don't. I'm not excited at all. I'm stressed. The only way people keep saying, are you excited to move? I'm like, no, I only feel stressed. The time when I'll start to feel excited is when I'm at the airport and everything is sorted out. Right now, there's still so much shit up in the air that I'm just, I only feel stress. I have zero excitement. It's just stress. The video you announced on your, oh yeah, on the Instagram, that comes live in exactly 2 hours on this channel. You guys on TikTok, I'm live on YouTube right now, Habibi. Bro, this price action is stunning. This is some of the cleanest price action you'll see in a long time. Welcome to Dubai, bro. Thank you, brother. Yeah, looking forward to getting there. Bro, besides the taxing, why else are you moving to Dubai? Just because I have no reason to really... Like, I want to be around really high achievers as well. I want to go down the street and see Lambos and shit, and here I am fucking on a push bike. I want to feel like I need to step my game up because I want to provide for my family, my future family that's non-existent just yet. Like, I want to be in an environment where I'm forced to kind of level up massively, and also the income and shit. And I have nothing holding me back. I do, like my niece, I'm going to feel so bad. I told her I'm moving and she cried and was so sad. So then I had to lie to a little girl and say, I'm actually not moving. I'm not moving. I'm actually just visiting. Yeah, I'm just visiting. Yeah, but have you ever had a low income job? Brother! I've done every single job you could ever imagine. I've been in the pits of hell many times. So I'm 34. The last year is the only time I've ever finally popped my head up above water. For 32 years, my life sucked. For 32 years, my life sucked, bro. For 32 years, I constantly struggled with trying to find success in so many different departments. Personally, I was flawed as an individual, and that was as I look back now, I can see that the reason why I never got to where I wanted to be was because I had so many personal flaws. And on a fundamental level, the way in which I viewed life was flawed. I needed to kind of come up with a new philosophy for life. But yeah, bro. And throughout all those years, like just every shitty thing you could happen, I've done and been and whatever. Yeah. Raja. What kind of camera? It's called a ZV-E10 with a Sigma lens. What the Sigma? What up, bish? Imagine my life sucks so long and then it's getting better now and then nuclear attacks. Fuck. Isn't the resistance right in the middle of the range? Oh, don't even, just ignore this fucking line, honestly, bro. Buys above are a nightmare. NQ was left the chat, bro. Does anyone know how to get to NQ without using a mouse? Cut. Damn it. I mean, no keyboard. You guys are giving me FOMO now. Do you have a Discord? Yeah, it's in the... Oh, actually, you guys on TikTok, I mean on YouTube, I'm going to pin the Discord invite in the YouTube chat. You guys on TikTok, if you want to come join the free Discord community, it's going to be pinned in the YouTube chat. I'm live on YouTube right now as well. I'm live on YouTube. Same name as my TikTok name it is. I'll pin it at the top there, you guys on YouTube. YouTube, make sure you guys drop a thumbs up for the stream as well, guys. 43 likes! Whoa. Please, can we get to 100 likes? There's only been 843 people here. Please, please. Connect your order chart. Yeah, I'm waiting for a setup, Adam. Oh, I think it's working. Yes. Wow. I mean, the next level is here. Yeah, okay. Chill, fucking... Yeah. Yeah, it's no one knows, Mufasa. No one knows in the entire planet. So, you gotta make that decision. I think I'm ready to give up on gold. It's so messy. NQ provides... No, it's not true. Like, it's obviously looking messy right now, but... Like, today we had beautiful price action. 4 years, smiley face person. Nice, Simon. Nice. Play the Jesus song. You spin me right round, Jesus. Yeah, I went to church on Sunday. It's just not for me, man. Church, like I love the Bible and I love moving closer to God, but yeah, I just can't do it's just not clicking with me. Maybe it will eventually, but right now it's not. All right, so we're just hanging out in this range here still. No, I'm not a professional boxer, Daniel. I had a couple matches. Pastor funded on gold today, yeah. Yeah, I think that's it as well, Pez. Yeah. Because my sister went to one and she said she really enjoyed it. And I was like, I'm just not clicking with my one. Yeah, I feel you, Jack. I wonder if price will break above this little range here. You got 2.5 minutes. Maybe wrong church. Yeah, I think that might be the case, to be honest. Yeah. Nah, I don't still box. I won't have another match or anything. I would like to get back into training. I would like to get back into just training. But I need to get, like, my nose is fucked from it. I need to get a full... They need to take my nose off, straighten it on the inside. I've got a really bad deviated septum and put it back on. I'm like... And that's from boxing. I'm like, do I really want to have to go through all that again? Yeah, Kashi. There's a gym in Dubai and it's like chicks aren't allowed in. It's just a big freaking gym for only men. That's my kind of gym. Just joined the Discord. Nice, Princess. Good to have you there. Yeah, you guys on TikTok. I just posted the free Discord community into the YouTube chat, live on YouTube. Oxygen Gym, yeah, that's the one. Have you, Frank? Yeah, the deviated septum, bro. People sometimes in the stream are like, stop sniffing. I'm like, I know, man. I'm trying to get air in. I'm dying here. For real dudes only, yeah. Girls are the distractions. Yeah. It's like embarrassing how zero amount of girls I have in any facet. Like, I have a Tinder and the location is set to Dubai, and I guess they want like dudes that have Rolexes on their wrists or something, because I'm not getting matches, man. And then my social medias are just like business ones, so there's no girls in the business social media. Why didn't you buy liquidity already? Yeah, I don't know, bro. First time here and I do nothing but yarn the whole time in church. $15 seconds. Wow, there's really no fucking volume here on gold right now. You're kidding me. You went to a church and they were casting out demons on a Sunday? That's fucking wild. Yeah, that's too much. Wow, double deviated. That's fucked. Bro's not telling me what's his bias. Bro, there's no bias right now. Price is just consolidating. Tinder in Dubai. You gotta flex Lambos, I know. I matched with a girl and I was like, oh, what's up? And I was like, are you in Dubai? She's like, yeah. And I was like, oh, sick, I'm moving there soon. And then I went back to check and she unmatched me. I was like, oh, fuck. Yeah, I don't know what's going on. Photoshop your face on a Lambo? I have to. Yeah, that's a good idea, actually. Now, you know what it is? Hinge is where it's at. Tinder sucks, but I'm banned from Hinge, so And I don't know why. I tried to say I did nothing wrong and they're like, yeah, I don't know. I just want to thank you, Dan. I've passed 3 challenges on Bullinox with your guidance and changing the way I trade. Amazing. Wow, Chris. Huge. We're getting funded traders over here, left, right, and center to that this week already. Flexi Milli funded. Yeah, well, technically this one's not. I've still got another phase on this. I mean, gold, what are you even doing, bro? This is so ugly. You spin me right round, Jesus. Guys, can we get to 100 likes over here? 69 likes on YouTube. You're too good for any waking, yeah. Why are you banned, bro? I have no idea. Yep. Still waiting on a bottom wick. No, that 1 hour candle already closed. Free my boys hinge. I know, man. There's a change of character on gold. What are you doing, NQ? Oh no, this thing's not working again. I know NQ's too overextended anyway. It's going to take ages to come back. Yeah. What's... Oh, I can't even get rid of this shit. Bitcoin. Just Jerome, what did I miss? We just called out a $4 billion trade. Sorry, bro. She'll never get your zesty. Want music for the live session? It's just some random thing here called Chill Lo-Fi Mix. Very original. Nah, I do like this one actually. It's got a lot of different tracks in here and they're all like kind of good, like decent. Sweet Graph. Good to see you, my dude. Does anyone want to buy a fucking PC? Yo! Is this graphics card worth money? GeForce GTX? GTX 1070? You put me through so much hell! Ah. Yeah, I just took out my anger on that shit. $59, bro! I paid $800 for that 7 years ago. Nah, I can't be $59. New computer is unbelievably amazing, man. I'm like, why did I wait so long, you guys? Wow, someone said $700. Is it really worth $700? You look like Shane McGowan? Oh, my fucking thing doesn't work. $59. No, I mean just the graphics card. $59,990, bro. No, it's I paid $800 for it. Traded PlayStation 3 for it. What do we got here? I'm still sus. I don't know actually. This is the next level up here. Oh yeah, deleted big time. Do you accept Bitcoin? Yeah, I accept Bitcoin. 700 bands. Does it have a L? Yeah, gold's moving now, I guess. Potential good short from VWAP. VWAP or Nicki Minaj WAP? Think about it. These are the big questions. Yeah, I'm having a look at NQ now. I think I fixed this briefly. Yeah. Yeah, we'll see. Two Subway coupons. No, bro, I paid literally $800 7 years ago for a used graphics card. It's got to be at least, you know, worth like $750. What broker are you using? That comment nearly made me go Super Saiyan then. Code for Top Step. It's worthless now. Come on, bro. Impossible. GTX 1070, $175! Bro, I literally paid $800 for that. Wow. Was that a new one? Is that new? Does that mean my used one is worth less? Does that mean my used one? Oh, God damn it. It's not 2015. 570 is new. God damn it. When's the Dubai move? Bro, as soon as people come and get all my stuff that I'm selling. Yeah. Why do you need a great graphics card? I used to do 3D design, so I needed it for that, but now I don't, so it's all good. Look at this, you guys. I'll show you something. $22.5 grand I paid today to pay this fucking stupid car off just to get rid of it. I paid $16,000 on it when the car cost $27,000. So after paying $16,000, it still had this much left on it. When the original balance was 27. Hey bro, they seen me coming a mile away. Oh, it fucking hurts my heart just thinking about that. I was so desperate. I had nothing. I had no money. I had nothing. I needed a car. I just like, give me it. I don't care about the rate. I don't care about if it comes with a fucking camel. Like, just give me it. I need a car. And now that I'm not a freaking scumbag and I'm putting the dots together, I'm like, oh my God, they see me coming. There's no interest rate on anymore. 30%. Yeah, it was so bad. Oh, what car is it? You'll see it in my vlog. Little zesty car. Little zesty city car. You have a forum? Yeah, it's pinned on the YouTube chat. In the YouTube chat, the free Discord's there. Nah. Dan, are you live right now? Are you doing a live right now? Is there a green screen in his mum's basement? So let's have a look at this. We're coming back into this range here. Nah, is that a thing? I've already paid it. They didn't give me a settlement discount. Should I have negotiated for a settlement discount? Is that a thing? Oh my God, I've already paid it. Could I have just got a settlement discount? Oh no. Only if it's repoed? Oh. Yeah, it was financed. If you got the right lawyer. Fuck, I'm not bringing lawyers. I need to move now. Alright, so there's not... Normally 50% discount. Fuck off. Oh my God, man. It makes me feel even more sick knowing this. I can't tell if he's trolling me, but I'm... So we're in this range. We're staying within this range here. 100% discount. I just give you it for free now, just because you bring up the settlement. Oh man, what's going on here? I mean, this has been London so far, just in this range. Bit unfortunate. Alright, I got one more candle in me. I'll see if anything can print interesting on this next candle. If not, man, this is just nothing's happening here, you guys. We're in a bit of a shitty range as well. Really kind of want to get out of this range. There's nothing here unless clean traffic gets printed along here, and then we can sell back down or something. But right now, there's fuck all happening. Nah, because then that would affect my credit score, Chris. No, wait, don't use Adam's code. Use my code. If there's a 91% discount, I'll have a code. Use me. Oh no, I've only got 83% off. 48 USD is my Bullinox 83% off code. I don't think there'll be a 91% off code right now. I'll be surprised if there is. I should have it if there is. What did he say it was? MMT1. Oh, wait, no, that's 83% off. That's not 93. That's 83% off. So if you're gonna use that, use my code. 83% off. It's called 48 USD. No, it wasn't 91 ever. Then your code's 100%. W post, it's because you're looking at Forex. This is futures. When's that one expire? Fuck, I'm not sure. Get in quick before it expires. Yeah, I'm going to give this candle one last shot to see if anything can happen with it. And if not, yeah, just call it. Like, there's nothing happening here, you guys. What up, meme fist rocker? I found your car. Check the Discord. Oh wait, did I just? Wow. Yeah, it might as well be that, to be honest. Would you have a better chance at New York Open? Maybe. Yeah, there's a high probability that you'll get volume at New York Open. How to join the Discord? There's a free Discord link in my YouTube stream. I'm live on YouTube right now. And if you see pinned in the top of the chat, there's the free link to the to the community. Dan the man, how you going, bro? At work, when hear you. You've grown really fast. It's inspiring to watch your story posted a couple of days ago. Thank you, History. History was the OG. If you go back to my first ever streams, it's just me and History for ages. Appreciate you, brother. That's crazy. Yeah, it was just me and History for ages. I haven't seen him in the chat for days, for a long time. Peace, Luke. Bro, look at FX. Why? What's the 4 hour look like on FX? All the 4 hour closed in 40. Why is there no volume? Who knows? I'm yet to give up on London Sesh. I don't know, bro. Yeah, I see. I like what you're saying, but at the same time, at some point we've got to really put our foot down. Can I use Prop XP in UK? Just if it lets you, then yeah. I'm not sure, bro. W History, yeah, History is freaking OG. Yeah, Pez. Definitely History, for sure. What does leader +1 mean? It means that my account's linked to 2 accounts. So both these accounts were the trades were taken on technically. Hi bro, I'm from, I was about to say Thailand. Hello. Peace, history. I mean, wow. Yeah, this is my last candle, you guys. Unless something amazing happens, and yeah, we're cooked. Bro, do you recommend prop XP? Yes. Intraday master? It just means normal account. It's called a master once it goes to the funded stage. Can we get to 100 likes over here, YouTube? Oh my god, 10 more likes. Please, please, please. How can I pass a funded pips account? Yeah. Do you offer free mentorship? Yeah. Okay. It's all good. It's all good. It's all good. Cody! Goated. No! Fuck! Person that said that, you just made me spill my juice. I was trying to be nice. Zoom is not responding. All good. Let's shut everything down. Let's just... Bro's about to go Super Saiyan again. Yeah, that's shit. Oh, man. So let's see over here. And we're cooked. What did you do, James? Did you take some trade? You still go to the gym? Does this answer your question? I've been training so shit, man. Like my training has been not good lately, but I'm back in. Oh, you're in cells. So as the market's moving up over here. I guess not. You missed the spot. Oh, man. Yeah, let's get in the mentorship. Like in the Asia stream. Mummy Tory. Dorito on toothpicks? No, I'm not even that anymore. Keg on stilts. So the question's, how do you do that? Can you jump on the old PC? Bro. Yay! I can't believe no one wants to freaking buy that graphics card, man. Bro's jacked. Oh, thank you for the hat emoji. The hat gift over there had enough. Do you give signal? Yeah, my PC was 1,800, my new one. I paid 1.8k, but it was used. But it was new, but it was technically used. Yeah, I'm in the Valley Quailer. What's your code, bro, for Bullinox? US 40, I think it is. US 48. US 48. USD 48. Actually, I'll put it in the premium Discord. Did I? Yeah, that's it. 48 USD is my Bullinox code. 48 USD for 83% off Bullinox codes. Then I almost choked when I heard you're selling a 1070 graphics card. Bro, what do you mean? Like choked in a good way? Like don't let it go because it's really good? Is that what you mean? We've got 3 minutes for this candle to close and this is just groundbreaking volume right here. Really inspiring stuff. Yeah, sorry guys. First stream back. I really wanted to kind of participate. We're really getting nothing happening over here right now. Possible all-time highs? Well, right now we're all-time consolidation. One more candle in the daily chart, yeah. What's NQ got for us? Oh, it came up to this level. Damn. So here's the thing. If NQ was to break above on the next candle, it might not be a bad idea to sell NQ. I mean, buy NQ. A lot of green on the 30 and the 1 hour. Yeah. I mean, I could kind of see NQ melting. Not gonna lie. I can nah, there's so much clean traffic. Holy shit, was this Friday? Friday just melted. Alhamdulillah. One more candle up this one. I might, bro, I'm going to stay for one last candle. I don't know if you guys are keen to stay, but I want to see if NQ can break out. I'm curious to see if NQ can break out. I don't think gold's got anything for us, but we'll see. So one last candle. Wow, Aru, yeah, of course I remember you. You were one of the OGs as well. What's with the OGs today? I had history on here now. Aru, you're like the only other person from back in the day as well. That's so funny. Good to see ya. Bro, that wasn't a zesty candle. Hi bro, did you buy an idea? Yeah, I don't know. Oh, you remember when we used ChatGPT to trade that time? That's funny. NFP stream next week? Wow. I mean, probably. Like, if you look at my stream numbers and then look at the NFP, 4.7. Normally it's like 2.3, 2.1, 2.2, 2.4. NFP, 4.7. It's like, are you guys trying to promote me, trying to promote casinos? Or is it because we fucks with the sunnies? Is it the sunnies that gets the views? Yeah, I don't know. NFP Prop XP. Cody. XP goated. Is NFP this week? Oh my god, I can't even bring my shit up. Is NFP on Friday, you guys? Is that real? Is that true? Or the following Friday? When you move to UAE, honestly, in a couple of weeks, like once I sell everything here, pretty much, I'm just waiting to sell everything. Bro, your cam quality solid as fuck. Thank you. So am I. CPI. No, it's next week. It's the following week. Blew my account last Friday. I let my emotions get the best of me. Back at it today. Good job. Good job. Back into it. Whatever happened in your last trade is completely disconnected from what's going to happen in this next trade. Every trade's completely independent. Just see if we'll port it. July. Yeah. Yep. Yeah. Well, last candle here. We'll see what happens. We'll see if we can get anything here. Man, it's getting nippy here. I'm about to wear a blazer of some sort. Going to a job interview. Yeah, I'll wear this blazer thing. I'll wear it. What broker, bro? Bro, this is prop firm accounts. Sweep has. Yeah, don't tell me NQ's stuck in the mud as well now. I mean, we got somewhat clean range to. No bottom wick on the 1 hour. I'm from Malaysia. Put the blazer for 700. So. Oh, nice browser. Yeah. Dumb tip. If you buy the battery, it makes it last longer. Smart tip, not dumb. My teeth aren't real. Yeah, I don't know. You look like a schoolboy. Then I whip out my gigantic muscles. Just listed your graphics card on eBay. Bro, who do you cut the screen half cam halves? I need another account. James, when you said you took a buy, it made no sense, right? You need a strategy. You don't need another account. You need a strategy. Connect, bro. Yeah, that's right, Aru. Yep. Habibi. Which prop firm really gives real account? Bro, what do you mean, Daniel? You need to look into prop firms more. You need to look into it more. Start Googling to understand it more. How does one move to Dubai, make money, and just book a plane ticket? Get the licenses and shit. Get like whatever you want, like your visa or... Private? No, fuck no. maybe that T thing did work. Can someone tell me if anyone notices NQ break above this line? Let me know. Oh no. How to spell prop firm so I can buy? Wow. Yep. Yeah, Daniel, the like a prop account, this is demo money. See this money up here? This is fake money. But when I click withdraw, when I ask them to give me that money, then it becomes real. So they simulate the markets, but the money that you request when you get to a certain level is real. So when you're passing these challenge accounts, you're not actually trading on the market. You don't affect the market at all. It's simulated. It's simulated money. But on the back end of the prop firm, you know, they're just keeping tabs like a game. Thank you, Deceiver. You too, bro. So prop firms basically earn money only if you lose? Yes. But you also, when you make profits, there's usually like a 5 or 10% split that goes to them. So they make money through that as well. And if you've, you know, if you are a proven good trader, some prop firms will take the same trades as you. And maybe if you're a bad trader, they'll take the opposite. I don't know. Statistically, prop firms should like just take the opposite. They probably do that. Yeah, nothing's happening here, you guys. Yeah, unfortunately, first stream back, wanted to kind of get something happening, but there's just such low volume over here. You guys, I'm about to drop a podcast on this YouTube channel. I'm probably going to post it after this stream. I'll just schedule it to post right now. And appreciate you guys jumping on. Be back tomorrow for the London stream, and hopefully get some more volume tomorrow. Love you guys. Appreciate you guys, and I'll catch you tomorrow for the London stream. Peace and prosperity.